Hey everyone, in this video I was wondering what type of internet speed you could get outdoors in the UK with the Starlink satellite. On the day of recording, it was such a beautiful day, so I decided to bring my Starlink satellite kit to a nearby park to test it out. I have my Starlink official travel case and I brought it with satellite dish, stands and all the cables and Wi-Fi routers inside. Here's a quick unboxing video of the case. This bag is specifically designed to carry the kits, including the satellite dish, stands, Wi-Fi router and cables. The bag is waterproof, including the zippy part. Inside the bag, it's well padded and well designed, I must say. You can carry it like a backpack and it weighs around 9.5 kilos with all the equipment inside. I'm 170 centimeter, 5 feet 7 inch tall, and the size of the bag is something like this. So let's set up the Starlink dish outdoors. The installation process is pretty easy and straightforward. First, you plug the cable into the satellite, and then you place the satellite on the stands and position it on a flat surface. After that, you bring the cable to the Wi-Fi router and power it up. I brought the AllPower S2000 portable power stations, which has a battery capacity of 1.5 kilowatt an hour. Since the Starlink uses around 40 watt an hour, technically I could enjoy powering the satellite and having broadband internet outdoor for more than a day, which is pretty cool. I was a bit nervous about using it outdoors since this place is a bit far from my service address that I registered when I purchased it, and I was worried if I could still get disconnected. However, after booting up the Starlink, I could see that it's online on the Starlink app, which made me really happy to see it. The place I tried in the park had a very open space, something like this, with no obstacles in the sky. As a result, the uptime of connectivity was extremely good, with almost no obstructions. Here is one of the results of the speed tests, where I could see speeds almost 250 megabit per second. However, the upload speed was around 11 megabit per second. I set it up around 9 a.m. in the morning and I did some work on my laptop, including a Zoom meeting with video on. I didn't experience any issues in terms of delays or connection lags. During the break, I watched some Netflix videos and I was able to stream them without any noticeable waiting time or interruptions. I could browse through the content, fast forward during the playback, and change the videos just like I would do at home. Here's a quick results of the video playback on the speed test app. There were no issues with 4K content, which I was very happy to see. Here are another results of 2 internet speed tests. The first one is from the Starlink app itself, which shows a speed of 171 megabit per second, while the second one's from the fast.com shows the speed of 210 megabit per second. Although the results are slightly different, overall I'm having extremely decent connection speed. In terms of the connection stabilities, during the hour between 9 to 10 a.m., there were no issues that lasted more than 2 seconds. There was a minor network issue at around 9:39 a.m., lastly only 0.7 seconds, which I didn't even notice. I'm truly impressed by the performance of the Starlink service, even in the middle of nowhere. I'm very pleased with the speed test results. What are your thoughts on Starlink Internet? Feel free to leave your comments or share your experience. And please subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.